Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Vercel to your Next.js UI for fast deployments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Vercel's website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. Now, you need to link your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to Vercel. Grant Vercel the necessary permissions to access your repositories. After linking your account, you will see a list of your repositories. Select the Next.js project you wish to deploy. Vercel will automatically detect that it's a Next.js application. Next, click on the Import button to initiate the project setup. You may review the project settings before proceeding. Ensure that the framework preset is set to Next.js. You can configure additional settings if needed, such as environment variables. Once everything looks good, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building and deploying your application. Monitor the progress in the deployment console. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a unique URL. You can visit this URL to view your deployed Next.js application live. If you make changes to your code, simply push those changes to your repository. Vercel will automatically recognize the changes and redeploy your application. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Vercel to your Next.js UI for fast deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.